Hello everyone, this is 솜씨네TV. I need a remote control case in my living room, so I think about what to make. This year is the year of the ox, so I'm going to make an ox-shaped case. I'm not good at drawing, but it doesn't have to be good. I only have a scrap of fleece at home, so I try to sew two small pieces of fleece together. When finished by sewing the fleece, make a pocket for the remote control. Next, I will make the head part. Cut the fabric to size, fold it in half, and cut it in the shape of the head. You need two pieces of fabric of head. Cut out of the shape of the ear by two pieces of outer and lining. Cut two large pieces of the nose, sew them and fill in some cotton. To make a tail, sew the center of the fabric, turn it over and cut it with the scissors. Now let's make the body. Put the tail on the outside of the body and put the pocket side inside and sew to fabric. My sewing machine is for home use, so I sew the thick part by hand. Sew two pieces of the nose and fill in a little cotton. Put two pieces of fabric facing each other, sew the horns and turn them over. Now, let's sew the head part. Put the ears and horns on the inside of the fabric and put another pieces of the fabric and sew them together. Fill the face and body with cotton and sew the slit. You can sew the nostril with thread or attach buttons or beads. For the eyes, you can attach the doll's eyes, embroider it, or button it. Stitch the head and attach it to the body. It can be used as a remote control case and as a toy or pillow. In addition, I will show you similar pillows made some years ago. Enjoy them! Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye!